Welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss one of the specific point on impact investment. Impact investment is a very much informative and very much effective things, and by this way we can grow our economy and sustainability in an effective way. Investment intended to create positive impact beyond financial return. So provide capital. Transactions currently tend to be private debt or equity investment. We accept more publicly traded investment opportunities will emerge as the market matures. Business design with intent. The business fund manager of company into which the investment it made should be designed with intent to make a positive impact. This differentiates impact investment from from investments that have unintentional positive social or environmental consequences. Expect financial return. The investment should be expected to returns at least nominal principal. Donations are executed, market ratio or market beatings return are within scope to generate positive social and or environmental benefit. Positive social and or environmental impact should be part of the stated business strategy and should be measured as part of the success of the investment. Root capital investment. Throughout lending program and financial advisory services, root capital strategies, rural, small and growing business, while our ultimate goal is to improve farmer household income, our financial also strengthen local communities, promote sustainable landscapes and increase the availability of commercial source of capital. So output, capital and financial training. We disbursed 81.4 millions to 170 rural sustainable development goals and trained managers from 80 enterprise level outcome. Small and growing business growth. During 2011, our borrowing enterprise generate 35 millions in dollar in revenue. So for that particular issues, we need household level incomes, high or stable incomes, and the improve livelihoods. Our client purchased $283 million in coffee, banana, cash cow, coconut, cosmetics, ingredients, cotton, fisheries, handicraft, mango, rice, seeds, sesame, sea butter, species, vegetable from 181,000 local supplies during 2011. Community level outcomes, sustainable landscapes, and gender equality. During 2019, we stopped approximate 38,560 women producer. In addition, our client manager nearly 412,000 is sustainable healthcare of agriculture, forest and the wild investment lands. Capital market level outcome. Dynamic capital market and the rural economy. During 2011, 36% of our borrowers access commercial capital. Our clients also receive 1,689 in co-investment loans from our partner financial institute. So impact investment mapping return source adapted from the Monitor Institute 2009 via Rockefeller Foundations. So traditional investment, impact investments, low impact and the low financial return, philanthropy, financial returns. These are the major interesting things. Actors in the impact investment industry, asset owners, high net worth individuals or families, corporations, governments, employees, retail investment and foundations, asset management, investment advisor, fund manager, family officer, foundations, banks, corporation, venture fund, impact investment fund and intermediaries, pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, development financial institution, government investment program, demand side actors, corporation, small and growing business, social enterprise, corporations, micro finance institutes, community development and financial institute, service provider, network standard setting board, consulting firms, non-governmental organization, university, corporate development providers and government program. These are the very important factors for that. Accelerate impact, achievements, challenge and what next in building the impact investment industry. Accelerate impact. This is the one of the major things. Universities as impact investment. Why? income inequality is growing, poverty, homeless, unemployment are weak, problems that require to the effect of all institutions, enterprise and facilities for the marginalized group are capitalized. University should control to the region in which they are based, strengthen the case for the public funding of PSE. So universities as impact investment how? Creating mechanism and partnership that help to mobilize capital to scale social enterprise, mobilize capital to expand social infrastructures. These are the common things. Strategies: operating funding to investment in individual projects, enterprise or real estates, operating funds through a joint investment vehicles to in enterprise or real estate, pension fund through the joint or syndicates instruments in real estate fund, endorsement fund through program related loans and guarantee in real estate. Allies: other impact investment, RBC, TD, Merck Centers, Social Capital Partner, Alterna, Credit Union, Canada Mortgage and the Housing Corporation, other federal agencies, Business Development Bank of Canada, Federal Development Bank Ontario, provincia agencies, Employment Ontario, Jobs Fund, etc., multiple agencies, Toronto Community Housing, others, Foundation, Ontario Trillion Foundations, Toronto Communities Foundations. These are the very important things. Choice: informed by its broader institutional strategy, intention must drive the decision of a university to become an impact investor. Trade-off must be made regular, respected, and the risk managed. But it is possible, and the benefit not only to the community but to the university itself will be very significant. So global impact investing network, Mars Center for the impact investment investments and the purpose of the capital investments. And there are many interesting things actually happening right now through these impact investments. So when we develop some of the impact investment strategy and the factors, that time we need to be very much careful. We need to be very much efficient about how actually impact investment works and how it creates some impact. So impact investment is an existing and rapidly grown industry powered by investors who are determined to generate social and environmental impact as well as financial return. This is taking place all over the world and across all assets class. What is impact investment? Impact investment are investment made with the intentions to generate positive, measurable social and environmental impact alongside a financial return. Who is making impact investment? Impact investment has attract a wide variety of investors, both individual and institutional. How do impact investment perform financially? Impact investment has diverse financial return expectation. Where can I go for more information? The Genie builds current market infrastructures and support activities, education, research that help accelerate the developments of the impact investment field. And if we want to know that what we have to learn about the impact investment, investors around the world are making impact investment to unleash the power of capital for good. Continue reading to learn about the core characteristics of impact investment, who is making impact investments, the result this investment can achieve, and more. Versions of the premier answer many of the most frequently asked questions about the impact investments is available for download as well. Share with a friend and the social media. So what is impact investment? Impact investment are investment made with the intention of generate positive, measurable social and environmental impact alongside the financial returns. Impact investment can be made in both emerging and development markets and target range of return from the below market to market rate depending on investor strategies goals. The growing impact investment market provides capital to address the world's most pressing challenges in sectors such as sustainable agriculture, renewable energy, conservation, microfinance, and affordable and accessible basic service including housing, healthcare, and education. Characteristics of impact investment. The practice of impact investment in the further defined by the following characteristics. On April 3, 2019, the GINN published core characteristics of impact investment, which complement these definitions and aim to provide even further clarity about how to approach impact investment. Internationally, an investor intention to have a positive social and environmental impact through investment is essential to impact increasing. Investment with return expectation impact investment are expected to generate a financial return on capital or at minimum or a return of capital. Race of returns, expectations, and asset classics impact investment large financial return that range from below market to risk adjusted market rate and can be made across asset class, including but not limited to cash equivalents, fixed income, return capitals, and private equity. So impact measurement, a hallmark of impact investment is the commitment of the investors to measures and report the social and environmental performance and progress of underlying investments, ensure transparency and accountability while information, the practice of the impact investment and building the fields. Investor approach to impact measurement will vary based on their objective and capacities. The choice of what to measure usually reflect investors' goals and consequences. Investor intentions in general, a component of impact measurement. Best practices for impact investment include establishing and starting social and environmental objectives to relevant stakeholders, setting performance metrics and target related to those objects using standardized metrics whatever possible, monitoring and measuring the performance of invest against this target, reporting of the social and environmental performance to relevant stakeholder. Why impact investment? Impact investment challenge the long-held views that social and environmental issues should be addressed only by the philanthropic donations, and the market investment should focus exclusively on achieving financial returns. Bank, pension fund, financial advisor, wealth managers, institutional and family foundation, government investor, development financial institutions, different organizations has very good impacts. Who is making impact investment? Fund manager, development financial institute, diversified financial institute, private foundation, pension funds, insurance companies, family office, individual investor, NGO, religious institutions. Everybody actually playing a very good roles on impact investment. Performance related to expectations. If we figure out the performance and other things recently, the impact investment has great impact. So how big is the impact investment market? This is $715 billion. Impact investment is a relatively new term used to describe investment made across many asset class, sectors, regions. In 2019, for the first time, the Gini developed a religious methodology to establish the total size of the market, size the inaugural market seizing effort. The Gini has strengthened in its database and methodology to continually improve its approach. And in June 11, 2020, the GIIN published the 2020 Annual Impact Investment Survey, which includes an update market size analysis, which established the current market size as US $715 billion. So this is the different aspect of the impact investment, and if we can focus on these impact investments, that will give us a very good return of the society, that will give us a very good efficient improvement of the society, and by this way we can focus and improve our society in an effective way. So I request all of the people around the world that now global challenges we have to solve together, and when we have a global challenge there are many efficient things. Maybe we have right now COVID-19 situations. We have to solve these COVID-19 challenges. Besides that, global warming, for our agriculture, our energy, our transportation, our smart city, our roads and highways, our healthcare systems, our education systems, everywhere we need to very much focus on impact investments. And if we focus on the impact investment in an effective way, if we focus on our impact investment in a professional way, that times we can solve our social problem, environmental problem, and if we can solve our environmental and social problem together, that times we can take necessary initiative for our growing and development. So this is ultimately the objective of our School of Talent Economy. We want to grow our economy in an effective way and a professional way. So thank you everyone, those who join today's sessions. So I request that if you have any question regarding impact investment, you can communicate with us, and if we can communicate with us, we can create different kind of solution together, and when we can solve together, we can solve a different kind of problem, and this is ultimately the way how we can overcome from the challenging situations. So I request everyone, be you need to be more careful about your environment, you need to be more careful about your society, you need to be more careful about your healthcare system, about your education systems, and this is the way ultimately we can solve many things together. Thank you everyone, those who joined today's sessions. If you have any kind of question regarding impact investment, you can communicate with us. Thank you.